Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adabeke as always. Vlogtober is here. Today is October 1st and it's Vlogtober season on YT Street. Some of you will be wondering what is Vlogtober. From the name Vlogtober, vlogs, as you already know, then you have October. So when you put it together, it's called Vlogtober. I'm making sense though. So it's a season where YouTubers upload content every day in October. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing all of the ideas I have in my head for you. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Biko, subscribe right now. Subscribe right now. So I've been looking on YouTube especially for Vlogtober video ideas, and guess what I've been seeing? I've been seeing Halloween, Halloween, Halloween. I think this thing originated from the Western world, right? Halloween season or something for them. So almost all their video ideas are about Halloween, and there's nothing relating to us. So keep watching this video. Definitely gonna get an idea or two that you're gonna put up on your channel. So let's get right into it, guys. As always, I wrote it down on my phone so that I don't forget anyone. If you haven't hopped on this trend, you still have like 3 more weeks to catch up. Number 1 is get ready with me video. Everybody loves a get ready with me video. Let me break it down now. If it's an health niche, you can do a get ready with me video to the gym. You share content on food. You can even create a get ready with me video that says get ready with me to cook egusi soup. So you can share behind the scenes of creating something, not creating the food proper, but getting ready with you, maybe buying the items, setting up everything before you start shooting the video. Trust me, people are going to enjoy it. So in the fashion niche, you can me to a fashion event, get ready with me to something relating to your niche. If you're also a mom like me that shoots motherhood content, you can do a get ready with me for school run. People will want to watch it, right? So that is for get ready with me. It's not particular to any type of niche. You can do it in all niches, right? Number 2 on my list will be get on ready with me. When you're done getting ready, when you're back from your event, or someone in the fitness niche, right? When you're back from the gym, just share it with us. Get on ready with me, what you do when you come back from the gym. Then when you're in the food niche, right? You can do clear up the kitchen with me when you're done cooking, how you make sure you clean up and everything. It's something people would want to see, right? So that is for number 2. And if you're a mother like me that shares motherhood content, you can do things I do when I'm back from the market, things I do when I'm back from school run, stuff like that. You can do those kind of stuff. Number 3 will be shopping. Guys, people love to watch those videos. So back to our fitness niche, right? You can go shopping for gym wears. You can go shopping for exercise equipment. Back to somebody in the food niche, you can go shopping with you to local markets. You can do all those kind of things. As a mom, shopping for the kids, stuff like that. People would want to watch shopping videos. So do a shopping video, whatever niche you're in, people will definitely watch it, right? Another video idea, grocery hauls. Let me not just use grocery hauls in general, right? People would want to watch that kind of video, guys. I just hope you guys are following me. So it's a new month and women like to look good every month. You can create content hovering around your new hair, your new nails, your monthly beauty regime, your monthly skincare, whatever you do in the new month for yourself. People would want to watch them. I myself, I'm definitely going to watch those kind of videos, especially those ones, the nail ones, right? Mukbang. See, anybody can do mukbang. Everybody eats. Do you understand? We all eat food. So anybody can do food mukbang, local food, continental dishes, any type of mukbang. You can do those kind of videos. People will definitely love them, right? In Nigeria now, people are doing Halloween party. So if you're attending a Halloween party in Nigeria, you can have that kind of video, right? People will want to see what this Halloween is all about. It's a new thing that is coming into Nigeria now, especially for our celebrities. Everybody's doing Halloween. You guys already know that We are in the Ember month. I already know what September, October, November, December means in Nigeria. For us over here, it's autumn season. So if you're in the skincare niche, you can share skincare routines for Harmattan season. Anything you know that will work for us during this Harmattan period, please share with us. If you have that knowledge, we would appreciate. Then another video idea you can create is Christmas is coming. You can help us and source for Christmas decorations, like source for very affordable Christmas decorations. Tell us where you're getting them from. We would want to get your houses, even if it's small something, just let it be like Christmas is around. So if you have those kind of videos, trust me, people will want to watch those kind of videos, especially if they are DIYs. People would want to watch it, guys. So as a new month, people want to clean their houses. If cleaning is your therapy, people like us, that cleaning is our therapy. Show us how you clean your house. Show us how you clean your kitchen. Show us how you clean your room. Show us how you clean your living room. Show us how you prepare for the Christmas season in your house, because obviously people have started preparing for Christmas right now. So show us what you're doing in your house. If you're the traveling person, please let's travel with you. As some of us are not traveling because school is back in session. So if you're a traveling person, share your vacation preparation tips with us. Share how you're getting your visas. Share your hotels. Share vacation trips, guys. People will definitely want to watch it. Even if you're not a travel vlogger, share it with us. You will never know, you will get new subscribers from that kind of video. Next is vlog. See, it's Vlogtober actually, and just vlog anything. Vlog a week in your life, vlog a day in your life, from waking up, sleeping, whatever you do, productive day, unproductive day, whatever you do, just vlog it. See, you will never know if that personal life of yours is what we are interested in. So your YouTube, what do you need? You need subscribers, you need people coming to your channel. So vlog. If you don't watch movie, hands in the air. People like us don't watch movies. But right now, before I watch any movie online, I usually go and search best movie to watch on Netflix in October 2023. Best movie to watch on Netflix, December 2023, stuff like that. So if I come across somebody that shares movie ideas, I'm definitely watching, because that's where I get my movie. And I cannot just put on my Netflix and look for film. No, I always watch what people are recommending. So if you're good with movies, recommend movies for us. Recommend movies, because another thing is talk about, you can do a sit down video like this one I'm doing. This one self is even a Vlogtober idea. Research and come and share. This other sit down video on trending issues in the country, trending issues in the world, stuff like financial issues, how to level up your financial game, depression, how to overcome depression, marriage issues. See, any type of issue that is trending now that you know that people would want to come and learn. Maybe if you have experience in that, people would come and learn from your experience. Talk about them. See, there's some people telling us about their health issues. They're telling us how they overcame their health issues. They're telling us what to do. We are learning from them. So if you have any issues you can share with us that will interact, please shoot that video right now. Like I told you, if it was September, October, November, December, it's always a back-to-back wedding. If you have wedding tips, you can share with us. Let me give you an example, guys. I live in Owerri, Imo State, and I know during November, December, January, when you're talking about the East, Owerri wedding is number one. So if you have wedding vendors, and you know a lot of people don't even live in the town, so they will want to watch what is happening in town, right? So if you have wedding venues, wedding churches, wedding vendors, anything you want to share on your page, you can collaborate with people and share it on your page. I know people in diaspora who would want to come and do their wedding in Owerri, may be interested in that kind of content. So share stuff like that. People will definitely want to watch, right? Talk about new restaurants in your location. I know very soon people will be traveling from their home to somewhere else to have fun for Christmas. If you share with us restaurants that we must visit, places we must visit, top five activities to do in your state. See, people would want to watch that kind of video. You can have a fashion haul, share with us clothes you have, wear your clothes, sample it. Some people will want to watch it. It also has to do with the restaurants, right? Testing food, trying popular food, trying street food. There are so many street food. See, street food in Lagos is different from street food in Port Harcourt, and it's different from street food in Kano. Share with us those kind of things. We will definitely come and watch. I've shared almost 30 video ideas for you. Guys, thank you guys for watching this video up to this point. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got 1 or 2 video ideas you can share this month of October. Let me know in the comment section if you're hopping on this trend. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I see you guys in another video. Bye bye.